What's up, Jumbo Gang?
Starting to make predictions, baby.
Can't trust no bitch, these bitches be cheaters, these bitches be hoes. Can't love no bitch, these bitches be eaters, they fucking my bros. And I get to that dog, which squad my gang.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy say YouTube. What's up, Jumbo Gang? This your boy say back again with another YouTube video. Okay, and I'm here with
It's your boy Keon, stop playing.
no introductions needed because that's my brother. What you talking about? But anyways, we finna get into this vid, man. This reaction video.
This Miami.
Miami the Kid, you know what I'm saying? Rating girls, how they sound in this matter. Because they can't see his face, so he getting a little rate. So, you ready?
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it, man. Shit.
Sound of my voice, because y'all can't see my face. Listen. You can't see my face right now, but if you had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what would you rate me? Listen, I need you to tell me if I look ugly underneath this. She gonna come up to me and say what I look like underneath this, man. Based off the sound of my voice, what would you rate me 1 through 10? I sound cute, I sound ugly.
Off the sound of your voice and like your eye circles, I'm gonna go ahead and give you like a 6 or a 7.
Okay.
That nigga said, walking it
Ugly
out.
or you cute under this? See, I gotta let you put your opinion out there before I show you the fact. If you had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what would you rate me?
I like the sound of your voice.
So listen, we do got the song?
Oh.
We got the song, y'all? Moment of truth. Let them know what it is. Yeah. Rate, alright.
I don't even see this.
So, I can give one more extra point? Bet. Hey, man, like, comment, subscribe, man, we lit.
We lit.
Okay.
This nigga made it like a movie.
You go and squeeze in. They love nervous,
I like
man.
that.
Y'all gotta say, listen, we got a tornado in Miami right now, but y'all can't be acting cameras, so that's what we do, you heard? Listen, introduce yourself. Where y'all from? We got Cali vibes out here, man. Listen, man, tell them what's good with the Miami vibes, though, man. Listen, if y'all had to rate y'all Miami experience right quick, rate it 1 through 10. It's lit or it's lame?
So far, it's on like a 10, girl.
It's not looking too good. The kid gotta step in. Second day? Nah, it ain't no curfew. We outside with it, man. So look, check me out, bro. Based off the sound of my voice, because y'all can't see my face. Listen. Based off the sound of my voice.
They make it seem so weird or some shit. Don't they? Oh, mama.
Would you rate me 1 through 10? I sound cute or I sound ugly?
Off the sound of your voice and like your eye circles.
Your eye circles.
6 or 7.
She
Damn.
just said,
Answer. What about you?
she said the eye circle.
So y'all think that's gonna be the same? Hey, y'all think that's gonna be the same answer for the face?
We don't know.
We gonna have to see.
They don't even want to know.
Okay.
Oh, we changing the game. So if you had to rate me off the face, what you rate me? What you give me now?
Got like an 8 now.
What about you?
Yeah, like an 8. It's all like
He made it seem like he was Superman.
Yeah, how long you had that problem? Hey, he must be a problem because she out in Miami without her boyfriend. So,
Damn.
You know what I mean?
Damn.
Alright,
Oh,
so
okay.
just turn me up, man. Ain't no question. Let's just do it. Listen, we here with Dirty here. You acting scared. I'm tiny because fat ass. She acting scared of me, man. Come on, good.
I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of
Listen.
the video.
Hey, listen. It ain't no
Yeah, the
crazy
video.
Yeah, listen, though. We here with. Alright, so listen, man. Hey, tell them where y'all from.
Philly, get to the point.
Get to the point.
Philly,
Alright,
Philly.
Get to the point. Listen, y'all can't see my face right now. Do y'all think I'm ugly or do y'all think I'm cute?
Ugly.
It always be the fat round with that to say something negative. No, but they always try to put a nigga down.
So she's sitting over here trying me. She don't like me.
She that one friend. She that one friend if a nigga try to get on her, and she'll be like, "Get boy, come." She seem like she one of that type of friend, the lame friend. Oh, my mama hate the lame friend.
We winning. If you had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what would you rate me? 7? What about you? So listen.
Why? When you take out this bed, I bet she be on his dick.
I don't think it's gonna make
So you think I'm gonna be ugly or cute? Damn. They sleeping on it. You got a song right?
told you. I told
So
you.
I'm ugly or I'm cute?
Uh-huh.
You stupid? Oh, ugly. Why you smiling so hard?
Damn, he got it.
Yeah,
She
he
said, if
got
I'm ugly, why you smiling so hard? Bitch ass.
Damn, why they trying me, man? Like, comment, subscribe. We on to the next.
They say they don't like light-skinned
Man,
niggas.
fan it down, man. She hot right now. I'm next to her. Hey, she on the fan
That
right
boy
now.
got denied.
Man, listen, what's
She said, they say we don't like light-skinned niggas.
God, that's crazy.
The nice, beautiful, cute Jasmine, man. Listen, check me out. Where you from? Chicago. Hey, Chicago been out here running the city, man. I don't like that, but you know they gang. So listen, how long you been out here? The second day, the lit day, she ran across the kids, so we making movies, man. Listen, if you had to rate your Miami experience, what would you rate it?
So far, it'll be
You know it gotta be up there. So listen, you can't see my face right now, but if you had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what would you rate me? You think I'm cute or do you think I'm ugly?
you sound cute.
Listen, first person to get it right without me having to show nothing yet. So listen, if you had to rate my voice, what would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
Alright, for
That
sure.
nigga got confidence like a
You think
bitch,
my voice rate
dog.
gonna match my face or you think I'm gonna be ugly? For sure, I think I like it, bro. We can take on the floor though. What you think? Alright, for sure. Can I get your number though?
I cannot give you that. I'm sorry.
How come?
I got a boyfriend.
Don't say you got no boyfriend. You out here in Miami with it. I don't want to hear it.
This whole trade word.
Because you don't want to hear it.
Damn.
So you got a boyfriend?
She just told his
You
ass.
had that problem.
It's not a problem. We have look. You want to see my daughter?
Alright, listen, I'm at the spare. She cute and all, but I'm at the spare, man. Tell her like, comment, subscribe.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Alright, for sure, we lit. Gang, listen, I need you to tell me if I look ugly underneath this. She gonna come up to me and say what I look like underneath this, man. One of these, it's a movie. Say it's a movie. Alright, listen, man, we here with
I'm stopping this.
Alright,
I'm not doing this no more.
I'm saying, this a gang thing. We need everybody in it. We here with Tia.
After tonight.
So where y'all from?
I'm just turning up with my brother tonight, so
Kentucky, looking lovely out
we
here.
out here chilling and reaction.
Hey, if y'all had to rate your Miami experience though, is Miami litter than Kentucky or
I
lamer
barely
than
do this
Kentucky?
shit.
We don't wanna throw Kentucky under the mat.
I play basketball. Hey, go follow me. My brother, he had that shit like right here.
Let's see. Let's see.
Actually, man. Yeah, I gotta let you put your opinion out there before I show you the fact. You think I'm ugly or you think I'm cute underneath?
Actually, yeah,
Hit it.
more.
So listen, look. If you had to rate
Hey,
me,
fuck that motherfucker. Alright.
nice and deep. So listen, do y'all think the rate gonna match my yes or no?
Hey, how she look? You gonna fuck with her going on?
On the right?
So
Yeah.
listen, we do got the song. We got to show y'all. Moment of truth. Like, subscribe, man.
No. But I'll give her a 7, but I wouldn't put it
Alright,
off.
for sure. I can get one more extra point.
It's not that she ugly, I just want to talk to her.
Alright, man, we here with. Listen,
You-
know they
what'd you
look
rate
good, so
them?
y'all already know I had to stop them right quick,
Like
man. Listen, where y'all from?
Both of them?
Atlanta.
Atlanta, that's why.
The girl on the left, she a cool 9. The girl on the right, she a 8.
She alright. She's straight.
So y'all used to the rodeo already, so y'all know what's up with the yams already. So listen, rate y'all Miami experience right now for everybody who haven't been here yet. 10? 10. So listen, man. Hold on. Since this y'all second time here, what y'all think about Miami niggas? Y'all think they cute or y'all think they ugly?
I haven't met a Miami.
What did you say?
In Miami, ain't met a Miami nigga. That's crazy.
Listen, so obviously y'all can't see my face, so I'm gonna ask y'all this. Do y'all think I'm cute or ugly underneath this mask? You? Alright, so listen, if y'all had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what would y'all rate me? Hey? Listen, that cause it's hot outside, you feel me? What you just gotta...
Type shit. It's been like hella windy.
Whoa.
Clouds out here. Like that.
I know a little bit of water ain't gonna destroy your beauty. You wanna still look cute out there, you wearing water. Check right there. Dry you up right quick. So look, let's wrap it up right quick, man. Look. Do y'all think the rate match my face? Do you think the rate match
Well,
my
obviously, nigga, if they telling you you look good,
So
they
y'all
think the
bored?
rate match their face.
Oh, y'all think y'all right? So that's all. Yeah. And they right too. What you think?
see.
On top of that, the face for the face. Appreciate it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We lit. Hey, it's raining, bro.
YouTube.
It's raining, dog.
They just to be busting in. I'm about to cut that
Oh,
out the
dang.
video, man. I'm
Hey,
about to
replay it,
say cut
replay it,
that
replay it.
motherfucker. I'm about to cut this shit out.
We was at like, alright, go right here.
No,
Right
we
here,
gonna-
right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all think y'all right? So this song. Yeah. And they right, too. What you think? So, or do I get any extra point? On top of that, hey. Face for the face. Appreciate it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We lit. Hey,
That was, you think that was on that?
It's raining.
What?
We live from South Beach, man. It's raining. That feels dumb good, though. Hey,
Probably
come on,
off
man.
camera, though.
We in the middle of the storm.
I want you to get their number. You think you got their number?
Yeah, probably one of them.
I don't know.
About my voice, what you rating me? If you had to rate me by the sound of my voice, what you rating me? 10?
A 5.
5? You think that rate gonna match my face? We in the middle of the storm, man. That's how you talk to me. How's you trying me like I'm up, dog? I gotta say that I'm cute.
I don't even know what he just said. All I had to tell you is just storm with it, dog. Let's go.
What's good, friend? What's good, friend? What's good, friend? Still a 5?
I'll give you a 10 or whatever.
So stop putting on the camera, man. Like, she don't know me in real life. What's she putting on?
Be on it.
I was just testing you out for the tools, but I see you trying to shit.
Oh.
said I was testing you out for the tools.
Period, beats.
Man, gang, gang. Tell them gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Everything we do is for the gang, gang.
Everything we do is for the gang, gang.
Hey, man, this
He really
Ah,
got it.
Can't read this, man. I got the kid out here like I'm a newsman. Like, all that, man. Listen, I'm gonna like, comment, subscribe. By the time I do this bitch, I'm probably fucking inhale a pound of sand and all that. Man, listen, like, comment, subscribe. We out there.
I guess that's the interview. That was the interview. Everybody like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all already know who that was, Miami the Kid, man. I ain't even gotta show y'all. Y'all already know what it is, man. Hey, go show that boy some love, man. And we out of here, man. That's crazy.
Like I said, my brother had a damn nigga.